Hello guys, today we are going to find number of digits in factorial of a number. So let's get started. We can use naive approach to find the number of digits. Uh, First we will find the factorial and then count the number of digits in the result. We can get the result, but if the number is high like 100 or 1000 or even more, then we cannot find the number in factorial because the memory limit exceed and the integer limit can exceed. So we are going to use an efficient approach or a better approach than the naive approach. So we are going to use log and its properties. So as you can see, we are going to use log base 10 as log. So you can see that the log of 1 is equals to 0 and number of digits in 1 is 1. Uh, Similarly, log of 10 is equals to 1 and number of digits is equals to 2. Log of 100 is equals to 2 and number of digits is equals to 3. So you can see that a number less than 10 have a log of that number less than 1. So if we take floor of that log, then we will get 0 where n belongs to 1 to n. Similarly, if we take log of n belongs to 10 to 99, we will get n floor of log of n is equals to 1. Similarly, if we take n equals to 100 to 99, then the floor of log of n equals to 2. So here we are going to use this property of log. You can find even more properties, but we are going to use this. N factorial is equals to 1 into 2 into so on n minus 1 into n. Log of n factorial will be log of 1 into 2 into the so on up to n. Log of n factorial, we can use the properties of log, property of log. Then we will get log of 1 plus log of 2 up to log of n, and we are going to store it this whole quantity as our result, and we will find the floor of the whole quantity and add 1 to them to get the number of digits. So here's the pseudocode. First we are initializing a result variable as double or equals to 0, and we are using a for loop I equals to 1 to I less than equals to n, and result plus equals to log of I base 10, and we are returning the floor of result plus 1. So now we can code this here. First we will take input and here we are going to use a function named digit, and here we will initialize a variable name the result. Now for loop and store the log of every integer from 1 to n. So log of I, and return floor of result plus 1. You can run this. Works. So you can see we are taking input n equals to 100 and the result is 158. We can verify this with a Python program or Python command. As you can see, f we will take the result, I mean factorial of a number as a string, and then we will get the length of the string. So 100, you can see the result is 158. Sorry.